8th, 1:24 p.m. Match it with my Mac computer and my TradingView clock. Obviously, this is my main target, but we are 100 points away. I don't see that happening in the next 6 minutes. And what I'm trying to do is a quick scalp. What I'm going to do is short here, I'm just shorting to the low. I'm going to put it here. Just a quick move to hit by 130. My last trade was a counter trend. I was going up into the fair value gap, and it did a nice rejection, so I wanted to scalp again to here by 130. It dipped into the 15-minute fair value gap, made a good rejection, went back up in the 5-minute, good rejection. That's why I'm targeting here. But like I said, my main target is down here. I'm not going to hold that long. I just want a quick scalp, and I don't know if I'll trade anymore after this, because we're in a major downtrend right now. So, and it's Friday, and this will make me up around, I don't know, maybe 500 on this account, and then I'm way up in my Apex funded accounts. So I think I might stop for the day. I don't know. We'll see. Like, look at this big move. These are hourly candles. This is insane. Boom. Target hit. Like I said, next target will be here, but I'm not participating. Not yet. Maybe not even. Again, I won't be around next week, so I'll see you when I see ya.